okay. Oh wow! Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are brand new here. In today's video we're going to be doing another mystery box unboxing because apparently now I have no self-control, now I've got one of them. If you haven't watched my previous mystery box unboxing, I'll pop it in the iCards just up top. So the box I have purchased, I'll pop it on screen. This one includes loungefly backpacks and also some that aren't loungefly but are still kind of like exclusives and like hard to get ones. This one was a little bit pricier than the last one I bought, but I feel like it has more value to it, so I was perfectly happy to spend this amount of money. I have untaped the box, but I haven't looked inside yet, so I am excited to see what I get. If you want to see what I get in my unboxing, then just keep on watching. I get really nervous before I open these, but this is what we're working with. So it's a little bit smaller than the last box I got, which I don't know if that's a good or a bad thing, but we'll find out. We're gonna open her up. I'm really nervous. Oh god. Oh, there's lots of bubble wrap. Oh, I'm excited. Lots of bubble wrap. Oh, okay. Oh, wow. Oh, that's actually really cute. Okay, so this is the one we got. This is actually not a backpack. This is a crossbody bag. This is really cute. Ideally, it's not my first choice, I won't lie. It's kind of after something else in there, but nonetheless, this is cute. I'm just glad it's Disney because honestly, some of them on there were a bit questionable. I was a bit concerned if I was going to get something that wasn't Disney. Nonetheless, it's Disney, so you know, I don't hate it. So this is what we're working with. This is the bag. It's Winnie the Pooh themed, obviously, if you can't tell by his little face just there. It's got little ears to it, which is so cute actually. And then this is the back, and it has little honey pots there. Oh, I love that. This is the strap. So it comes with a strap which is attachable, so you can just kind of have it as a clutch, or you can pop the strap on there. And this is the print on the inside. Look at that, that's so cute. And it has this little face right there. Oh, it's so cute. And then it's got a pocket. It has another zip compartment just here. It's actually a cute little bag, I won't lie. The company that does this, a lot of people tend to trade bags, so I feel like this is probably something I may end up trading, perhaps. Other than that, it is a really cute bag. It's not for me, but nonetheless, you know, this is cute and it is really good quality, so I kind of see the value. So that was my mystery box unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed watching the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, click subscribe down below. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to make more videos like this. I honestly don't mind buying more mystery boxes. I mean, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye everyone.